Most people don't make terrible decisions because they're callous. They make them because they are under pressure, short of information, and forced to act anyway. When a clarity is missing, what structure can you rely on to make the right move? Patrick Sia's resume details a career built on logic. He is a business excellence assessor, a quality systems trainer, and an auditor of governance and systems. His professional background contains no mention of the mystical or the metaphysical. For over 20 years, this auditor has taught the ancient Chinese art of Qi Men Dun Jia, bridging the gap between corporate systems and traditional strategy. Patrick's daily work involves auditing processes and helping organizations navigate high-pressure scenarios where data is incomplete. He approached Qi Men Dun Jia as a skeptic looking for a practical decision-making tool. He required a method functioning anywhere, at any time, without depending on perfect external circumstances. The art appealed to his auditor's mindset because it avoids promising absolute certainty. He found that the system provides a rigid structure for uncertainty. It organizes chaotic variables into a grid, allowing for a systematic assessment of the unknown. Patrick translates the art into a decision matrix, treating a situation like a systemic audit. The process begins by sorting variables into two distinct columns, those within our control and those outside of it. These map onto the traditional variables of heaven, earth, and human. The human variable serves as the active lever in the system, representing the specific points where choice and agency still influence the outcome. Mapping the concept through this matrix strips away the mystery, leaving a calculated assessment of strategy. As a certified ETA trainer, Patrick designs educational frameworks used by engineers and technical professionals across different domains. He teaches the art using a corporate training methodology, focusing on making the system understandable, ensuring it is repeatable and usable for every student. He avoids the traditional guru dynamic, instead positioning himself as a co-learner who practices and reflects alongside his students. This approach guides students through a continuous loop of practicing the system, reflecting on the results, and growing step by step. By applying standard instructional design, the system becomes a repeatable skill that any professional can learn and apply to their own work. Patrick focuses on shifting his students away from the desire for passive prediction. The framework replaces the question, "Will this be good or bad?" with a strategic one. Given this situation, what is the best move I can make now? The system generates a menu of strategic options, rather than issuing a single instruction. This is a practical approach for high-stakes decisions in business, career pivots, or personal matters. Having a set of generated options helps neutralize the panic that often comes with acting under pressure with incomplete data. Maintaining agency in an unpredictable world depends on a logical framework. By using these rules to evaluate the present, a person reclaims control over their choices.